Welcome to this installation video for the rear conversion system for 2007 to 2013 Acura MDX vehicles, brought to you by Strutmasters.com. Let's get started by safely raising the vehicle and removing the rear wheel. Be sure to use an approved lifting device and take all necessary safety precautions. With over 750,000 of these on the road, the Acura MDX is the best-selling Japanese crossover in the U.S. that has a third row seat. Now it's time for our next step, where you'll need a 17mm socket to remove the top and bottom shock bolts. But first, you'll have to cut loose the wire leading into the electrical connector on the shock. Once you've cut loose the wire, you're going to unplug it, as our technician has here, and simply take the remaining connector and move it out of your way. Now you're ready to use that 17mm socket to loosen first the top, then the bottom shock bolts. Did you know that Honda engineers use the famous Nürburgring road course facility in Germany to fine-tune the suspension on the second and third generations of the MDX? The 3.2-mile German road course has been a fixture in Formula One racing since 1984. After both of those bolts are loosened, it's time to get a pry bar or a large screwdriver so we can compress and remove the factory shock. Watch as our technician takes the pry bar, puts it on the top of the shock, and gives it a little compression to the bottom. And once that's finished, it should lift up and out of the way. Once that one's out of your way, now you're ready to install the brand new Strutmasters replacement shock. At Strutmasters, we use actual customer vehicles to design all of our suspension conversion kits right here at our facility in Central North Carolina. Watch our technician as he puts the bottom part in first and hand tightens the bolt. Once it's in, now you're ready to connect the top of the shock. And we recommend using a jack to slowly raise the hub until everything is lined up. First and second generation MDX vehicles were assembled from 2000 to 2013 in the Alliston, Ontario, Canada plant. You can see our technician slowly raise the hub with a floor jack, or you can use another approved lifting device, and simply keep an eye on the top of that shock, and once you've got it lined up, the bolt should go right into place. Find that 17mm socket that you used just a moment ago, and you'll be ready to tighten up the top and bottom parts of the shock. The Acura MDX has won several automotive awards, including the North American Truck of the Year in 2001 and Car and Driver's Best Luxury SUV in 2001. When everything's all tightened up, now we're ready to reattach the rear wheel. Hey, mentioned earlier, it's over $50,000 for a new Acura SUV, and that's 50,000 good reasons to bolt on the Strutmasters conversion kit and squeeze several more good years of enjoyable driving out of yours. Once you have everything tightened up and the vehicle's on the ground, you'll want to use a torque wrench to hand tighten the lug nuts. Consult your owner's manual for the factory recommended specs for tightening. If you need to make a purchase, call 866-597-2397 to speak to one of our ASC certified technicians. Give us a call at 866-998-8737. Thanks for watching this video presentation from Strutmasters.com. Be sure to like us on Facebook and see what we're up to at Strutmasters with the latest in our product and technology.